All right, so let's see if you got the answers right. Step 1 to add sensory details is reread to find places where you can add more details to help your reader make the same mental movie that you have, which is connected to step 2. Make a mental movie, or at least remind yourself what was the mental movie you had when you were writing your text, because that's the mental movie you want your readers to have. Then step 3, now create that mental movie using the sensory details resource page to revise your writing. So step 1, reread to find places where you can add more details. Step 2, make the mental movie that you want your readers to have. Step 3, use the sensory details resource page or other words you might know to make the mental movie for your readers. Okay, here I have an original text. Can you find where in the next text we added sensory details? Okay, so it went from, it was so cold, I could hear the drums and I smell the fire next door. I walked around the warriors who were wearing buffalo skin overcoats. Okay, this is the second version. So now you reread the second version, you read it, and I want you to point to all the places where I added sensory details.